Hey traders! BDX has crashed over 55% in the last 24 hours before showing a small recovery. The current price is around 0.069. The big question is this a great buying opportunity or just a temporary bounce before another drop? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Want my exact entry, stop loss, and profit targets? Member-requested chart analysis is now available on our Patreon page. Check the link in the description and bio. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's dive into the chart analysis.